আচ্ছা
ভাই কি করে আছে কি করে আছে
এই new video बनाया जाए I'm making a video for the viewers yeah. Hello viewers, thank you for coming to my channel. Now my current location is now at Kerala, and yeah, today I'm going to shoot a video of outdoor mats are made in industrial in Kerala. So stick around with me and I'll show you how it works. Don't skip. This video was shot in Kotem district, Changnachari, Industrial Nagar. Now before we start, let's take a view of Kotem district to Ernakulam district. Bus is empty because of COVID-19 effect. And yeah friends of viewers, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video and turn on the notification bell icon for more upcoming videos.
हम लोग का वीडियो अभी भी है ना वो पीने वाला जो बनाया था ना वो है क्या अभी
वो चेक करना पड़ेगा,
लेकिन मेरा शकल मत दिखाओ वो
तेरे को दे दिया ना मैं। ये नहीं रो वो काटेगा, मुश्किल नहीं,
टेंशन मत लो, नहीं करेगा
रो दे। पुना किना पुना कोई दे
ये हाही को है बोलने से ना और हाही नहीं बोल अल्लाह अच्छा हो गया शहर उठ जाओ।
Hello guys, so here we are. These are the rubbers used in industry, and these huge ports are the controller spare water pump bus per mixing mill main switch. These are the rubbers used for mixing with chemicals. Another one, this is very important. After mixing, it will come out. Now let me show you the mixing mill machine. Look at this mill machine. They are mixing the rubber and chemicals with the rolling mixing mill machine. Amazing, right? Hello viewers, this mill machine will take 30 minutes to finish the mixing. Guys, don't try to skip, keep on watching till the end. This work is very hot because the machine keeps on getting more warm and warm. Look at these guys are working very hard. Yeah. Look guys, they are mixing the waste sheet rubber. I'll tell you later because still more to go. They will mix again and again until it looks like a bed sheet. Viewers, the work is about to be done, so they are now lighting the rolling mill machine. Both sides, you know. And yeah, it's not easy to title, so it's hard. Look at this now. Thin has bed sheet, right? Finally, after 30 minutes of waiting, they are done. Look at this sheet it will come out like 20 maximum 20 sheets it will come out. Viewers, I forgot to tell you, but I've also experienced this work. I've experienced this work for 2 weeks, and yeah, we have day shift and night shift, 24 hours running, 12 hours exchanging the work we are, and that's very hard. Now let me show you if you don't believe me. Look at me. I was doing this for 2 weeks, and I don't like the work, so I just ignored this work. But working here, we get enough money for our needs. Weekly we used to get 4,000, 5,000 in 1 week. We can earn like this. According to your work, how much you make in a day. This work is doing the speed work. Guys, finally done. Now they will measure the size of the mat and cut the sheets into different shapes: big, small, medium. After cutting the sheets, the remaining they won't throw away, but they will reused again in the huge rolling mill machine like before. This is the second part. They make this in the machine, but this is the thick one because this will be the frame of the mat side. Here is the machine. Look, these are the core roll used in mat. These are made from coconut, this core.
I forgot what this one for.
Look, this is the core foot mat.
Half moon shape.
Huge core roll.
Rectangle shape. We got inside.
Guys, now let me show you how they do the finishing. Look.
Cara.
Here everything, here every machine is hydraulic. The rolling machine also hydraulic, and this machine also Now some of you may be wondering what is hydraulic. Hydraulic is oil. Now let me explain. Hydraulic oil is a compressible fluid that is used to transfer power within hydraulic machines and equipments. Otherwise known as hydraulic oil, can be synthetic or mineral based. It takes 1 minute to take out from this machine.
Ready?
Everything reminds me of you, but everything is nothing now. Feeling out by the ocean, among all those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you.
Hahigo em đi xin đây. Apa hahi ni? Yallah. Merasa mulai jauh dia. Sehat dulu dia.
These are the frames of the map. Different designs, different styles: rectangle, square, half moon, and shapes. Half moon style, square style. This guy in front of me is my friend from Assam. He is helping me out to make this video. Bem-vindo.
Hello viewers. Hello social media viewers. How to taste a curry? Watch till the end.
Lamaran. Asik.